this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller that won't connect, pair, or sync to the PS5 and is just flashing on the light bar. Now to do this, the first thing we want to try is taking a small pin or maybe even a toothpick and then flipping over the controller, and there will be a small reset hole right here. We want to press down for about 15 seconds. Now my controller is turned on. You'll notice when I press this down, this will turn off the controller. So let's press this down, hold it down for about 15 seconds and flip over my controller, and you can see it is now turned off. Now with your controller reset, you could try connecting the controller again wirelessly by pressing the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time and put this into the Bluetooth syncing and pairing mode. Now if that doesn't connect, press the PlayStation button and turn on your PS5. So I can see it's turned on with the white light. Hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, you will hear another beep, and then you can let go, and this will completely turn off your PlayStation 5. Then once the light bar here stops flashing, turn on your PS5, locate the power cord, and unplug this from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute, and then plug it back in. Flip over your PS5, go to the controller, and take a USB to USB-C cable, plug it into the front USB slot, and plug the other end into the controller just like this, and press the PlayStation button, and it should turn on your PS5. Controller is connected. It's a solid blue light right here, and I can see the blue light on my PS5 right here. Now I should be able to disconnect this, and my controller will be connected wirelessly now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.